Okay, so basically previously, our previous DIY challenge was to create a fishing lure. The video is here if you want to watch it, and that didn't really work out, to be honest. So today we're gonna have another DIY challenge, and it's gonna be a lot more interesting. Now Marcus is an avid prawner. Are you an avid prawner?
I like prawning.
So you like prawning?
I like prawning.
He claims to catch 50 prawns at Auto with his friend in 2 hours, which is not a lot, to be honest. But I don't even believe that.
Okay.
It's not a lot. I myself, I've took part in Prawning Masters before. I came in last in the group stage, which is basically I'm essentially the worst prawner over there. It's gonna be interesting. What we're gonna do is that we are going to create our own prawning floats. Now prawning floats, they're not exactly expensive. There are really expensive ones. There are really cheap ones, and one cheap one costs like what, less than $2, or maybe like $1 and all. But we're gonna see if we could make something even cheaper, something equally as sensitive, and something that could exceed the limits of the actual float itself. So I have an idea in mind already. I'm pretty sure this guy doesn't, but first I'm gonna take a poop first, and we're gonna start creating
the float.
Wait, why do you look like a drunk?
Go.
Okay, fine. Okay, legit need poop first.
Then I'll use this time to think about you. This is awkward, man.
Since Marcus has yet to think of an idea, he had to do a lot of brainstorming. Whereas for me, all I had to do was to grab my materials and I was ready to build my prawning float. Okay, so the straw resembles a lot like a prawning float. It's long, I think, and the good thing about it is that you could see the slightest movements because you go down like that, and you know, you could tell when a prawn is actually biting the straw instead of having the whole thing like sort of sink down. I'm gonna try and error now. I'm gonna create a few because it's so easy to create, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm gonna get lighter.
Oh, I legit got a plan.
Okay, what's your plan?
I'm gonna use a bottle cap.
Water cat.
Yeah.
Interesting. And then what are you gonna do with the water cat?
Then I'm gonna put my hole using a toothpick.
Okay, good luck doing that.
Oh my god, this is so big.
Wait.
This is like some garden scissors, yeah. I use this, yeah. Oh, I need to unlock yours.
Yeah.
Oh
my god, what the? So both of us started working on our ideas. I worked on my straw idea while Marcus worked on his bottle cap idea. In just about 10 minutes, I was done.
Voila.
It's done.
Okay, that's pretty genius. That's smart. Yeah, legit that's smart.
So we decided to test it. Genius. But it failed. Yes! And then Marcus saw the opportunity to attack.
It's too deep, man. You got me. When the wave blow and like this, right? You got me. It's like the balance.
What kind of wave is there in a puddle of water like that?
No,
tell me.
I'm not seeing the wave, but in the prawning pond.
No, it's
when
not. It's gonna work.
It's
gonna work.
Okay, you try put more weight. You see what happens.
Okay. Since my float is floating sideways, I decided to just add a little more weight to one side of the float, and voila, it works. Boom! Marcus, boom! This is what I tell you. This is what I'm saying.
Yes, this is what you're saying.
Is it genius?
It's quite genius.
Is it genius? Oh my god! I swear, I really.
You're smart, legit.
The man said it himself. Here's how my prawning float is gonna work. Number one, I'm gonna add more markers. There's weight here, which weighs down the straw, so it helps the straw to sit like that. And although both of them said cause there's air in the straw, there's air in the straw, there's air in the straw, it's gonna float like that, it's gonna float like that, it's gonna float like that. But if we use our brains, you know that if you put more weight on one end of the straw, it's gonna float like that.
Yes.
It's gonna float like that, like a water bottle, like a water bottle. If you put water here, the air's gonna float up. Okay, that's not the best analogy. Okay, that's not the best analogy. In order to help constantly adjust the line of the prawn, of the float, I've added this, which is essentially a straw that's just cut in half like that. Marcus, smart Alex, said that this thing might cause me to lose my whole float entirely if I'm fighting a prawn. Well, that's where I add a bigger straw here. So when I add the straw in like that, clip on the line, and I'll just secure it like that. Bam, voila, bam, prawning float. So I decided to just make another float just in case, and also make it better than the previous one. However, Marcus on the other hand was struggling.
I'm using the same problem right now.
It's a goner.
I need to add some weight below.
I'm looking at a goner. Marcus then decided to scrap his bottle cap idea and started on a new idea. 2 hours later, he was done. Okay, Marcus spent about 2 hours doing that. I want to show the viewers how it's gonna work. Tried so hard. But as you can see, it wasn't really working out.
Yeah, that's
He then tried many more techniques like trying to make a boat, just a whole bunch of crazy ideas, but nothing really seems to work. He took so long that Kingston went to take a break from the camera. And after about another 2 hours, Marcus finally settled on something.
This is what I can eat. It's very, very simple. But it legit works, okay?
Okay, put it down. This is Marcus' idea. And we'll test it at auto to see who created the better float.
I think it's me.
What? No.
I spent the longest thinking on this. You don't know, man. Okay, we'll see. We'll see over there.
Okay guys, so right now we're at Auto. We're gonna try out the prawning floats. Special thanks to them for letting us film here as well. Yeah, we like to prawn here. We are really shit at prawning, and at the same time we managed to catch a lot of prawns here. So yeah, this place is actually pretty good for prawning, so do check it out. But today, we are gonna test out the floats that we made. Professional. This looks like I just picked it up on the floor. Yeah, just gonna wait and look at me defeat Marcus like a piece of cake.
I think I'm just gonna beat Ishan now. I know the weaknesses of his float, man.
And what is it?
We'll see later.
No, what is it?
The rules were simple. We were each given 1 hour to prawn, and the person who catches the most prawn wins. We were using the same rod, same bait, same hook, and same line. The only variable that is different is our floats, and not forgetting the prawners themselves.
3, 2, 1. Baby! What the thing can't like...
What?
It cannot zoom. I need to press mirror focus, but my hand is like so far away from the thing.
You're ruining my chances here.
I'm so sorry. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm just gonna do a normal bug technique. You just wait for the prawn to bite. My only concern is if that, since the thing is so loose, right, then the prawn will just like pull the float down as well. Like pull the line through the float. That's the only thing I'm afraid of. But other than that, I think I'm good. I think I'm gonna win.
What's my plan? Just gonna keep holding onto this rod until 50 minutes are up and catch every prawn and bites my bait. When I come here prawning, I also found out that there are more prawns around this wall.
Good luck.
Okay.
Right off the bat, I straight away detected a bite. But I missed it. However, after that bite, we basically went prawnless for the next 10 to 15 minutes. Until I detected another bite.
Whoa! One goes to Shen. It's one new, folks. It's one new homemade float. So it's one new on the homemade float. This thing works. Marcus is currently panicking.
I'm panicking.
And another bite. And another bite.
I feel bad. I really feel bad.
Oh, you got a creepy.
Meanwhile, Marcus once again was struggling.
I think it's a bad float.
It was such a one-sided match that even Kingston tried out my float and actually caught a prawn of it. Soon, Marcus was pushed to desperate measures. Minutes before the end of our bout, Marcus decided to call it quits and admit defeat.
I just have to say that my float is so flawed. It's better to not have a float at all. I lost. But I'm not sad at all really. Because my float is shit.
No, that's why you should feel sad. You spent 4 or 5 hours creating that to beat me, but you didn't. You spent 5 minutes to make mine and...
I have nothing to say really, I have no words. It's a bad float. I made a lot of mistakes. Ishan is the winner, good job.
So after that, we kind of just enjoyed our prawning session and we gave our prawns away to a family who was prawning next to us, and yeah, we basically just enjoyed.
Yes, suckers! Yes! Now everybody at one.
So yeah, nice Ben and Jerry's. Special thanks to Otto for letting us come down here and have fun with the prawns. It's a really great place. You can see the bite rate is just really good because everyone there is like catching prawns and like kids and all except for him. So yeah, it's a good day out. If you guys want us to try any DIY stuff, just drop down in the comment section down below. Right now my current win rate for these challenges is like 4 to 1. I don't know what's gonna stop me now.
How you remember 4 to 1?
I remember it's 4 to 1 because I remember I won a lot. Ompia is 0 to 3. And then Marcus is like 1 to 3 now I think.
How did I even win?
But now it's 1.
The Daiso one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna see how it goes. And the next one will be something about big casters. So do stay tuned for that.
Okay. Let's go.